Hello everyone and welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to change Reddit username after 30 days. To start, open your Reddit application in your mobile device. Once on Reddit, tap on your profile photo on the upper right. Once you are here, tap on your profile name, the one with the drop down. In here, this will allow you to switch usernames or switch accounts over at Reddit. Now let's click on our profile. In here, tap on the button that says change username. In here, just input a new username you want to use over at Reddit. You can also use the suggestions given by Reddit. It's the one of the usernames below. Then tap on Next. Then in here, tap on Save Username. This time, tap on your profile photo on the upper right once again. Now tap on My Profile. Now go back, using the arrow on the upper left. In here, tap on your profile once again, and then go to Settings. Over at Settings, you will need to scroll down. Then go to Help Center. This is a simulation that you have already changed your username before 30 days. So in here, you will need to scroll down and then look for Can I change my username? In here, scroll down once again. Then tap on Submit a Request. In here, on what do you need assistance with, tap on it. And then in here, choose the option that says I need help with my account. In here, input the following details from your username, subject of inquiry, and details of inquiry. But first, over at what you need assistance with, make sure it says I need help with my account. Then over at your email address, input your email address connected with your Reddit account. Then at what type of account issues are occurring, tap on I want to change my username. And then in here, you can edit your Reddit username. In here, input your Reddit username. And then in here, make sure you put in yes, I can log in, and then input your subject of inquiry. In here, you can just wait for me to finish typing, and then you can copy what I'm writing here on my screen. In the section, you can go ahead and also input your very own, depending on your preference. Then, below, over at Attachments, you can also add a file such as a photo or a video to serve as supporting evidence for your case. Once done, tap on Submit on the bottom corner. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.